Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. I will share you. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, let's start today video. So friend, my first idea is today we are going to create a beautiful craft using simple button. Yes, small buttons can turn into amazing art pieces. First, let's collect some buttons. You can use all buttons from cloth. Try to take different color and size. This will make your designs more creative. Now our first idea is a button flower art. Take a plain paper or canvas. Draw simple flower shapes with a pencil, no paste. Colorful buttons on the pattern and center. You will see how beautiful it look. Our second idea is a button photo frame. Take a simple frame. Apply glue on the edge. Sticks button all around the frame, let it dry, and viewers, now your frame looks stylish and unique. Next we make a button greeting card. Take a card paper, fold it in half, create shape like heart, balloon, tree. Using button, add a small message. This is perfect for gifts. Now let's try button wall decoration. Take a canvas or cardboard. Try simple design like a tree. Use button as sleeves. Glue them carefully. This will amazing on your wall. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.